everybody, this is the first video for the week 5 homework. Again, I'm going to be doing the B problems since you have to complete the A problems for homework. I am going to be using a different version of the ebook. It's the same information as what you have. It's just a different program since I don't have access to it where I normally would. I've already written down that the state tax is 3.1% and the city tax is 1%. I got that directly from the textbook. We're doing the 51st paycheck. And so on your assignment, you will have the first employee listed, who is, let me find his name for you, who is Matthew John. He will have most of his paycheck covered under Oasdi, but not all of it. So you're going to have to figure out the taxable amount. And then for his federal income tax, you're going to have to use the percentage method because he earns too much money per paycheck to use the wage bracket method. Just to give you a heads up, we're also going to be using the percentage method for Ken Gold. So it'll give you another opportunity to see how it is calculated. So first, let's calculate the OASDI for all individuals. What we're going to do is we're going to take the total earnings, in this case 2080, times 6.2%, gives us $128.96. And then we're going to do the same process. I'm going to do one more employee, then I'm going to pause it and calculate the rest of the OASDI for you. 690, just make sure you clear your calculator. 690 times 6.2% gives us 4278. Okay, when I was doing the problems, I did run over this issue, which is something you're going to need to be aware of. So we have $590.90 times 6.2% gives us 36.6358. In this case, since the 5 is behind the 3, we're going to round it up to $36.64. And then the last employee, and this would be $37.89. And make sure you do complete the total line. Since I have not entered any formulas into the cells, I can go ahead and use auto sum. Okay, and now let's calculate the HI, and that is, again, it's the 1.45%. So we have 2080 times 1.45% is $30.16. The next one is 6090. Oops. $10. The one's going to be $10 even. Actually, no, it's not. It's going to be $10 and a penny. And again, I'm going to pause it and complete the rest of the HI calculations. Okay, and again, since I did not enter any formulas, I'm going to do the auto sum. Oops. There we go. Now for FIT, for Ken Gold, he makes too much on the wage bracket method, so we're going to have to use the percentage method. So let's go to the textbook and let's go to the percentage method. Tax tables. We want tax table A. Okay, so we have he is married, 3 allowances, and they are all paid weekly. So married weekly, so $76.90 for each allowance. So I'm going to enter that in. $76.90. Oops. Too many windows open. So we are going to take the 2,080 minus 3 allowances times $76.90. So we're going to take the 2080 minus 3 and 70. 2080 minus 3. We're going to do it this way since the calculator is being stubborn. So we have 2,080 minus 230.70. So I'm going to write. So 2080 minus 230.70 gives us 1849.30. Okay, and so now we're going to go back to the tax table. He is married. He's paid weekly. He is at $18.49. See if I can zoom this in for you. Okay, since he makes at over 1,600 but less than 3,073, we are going to take 198.40. We're going to take 198.40 plus 25% over the 1,606. So we're going to take the 1849.30 minus 1,606 gives us 243.30, and we're going to take 25% of that, which is $60.83. So $60. So we're going to take these two amounts and add them together, and that's going to get our federal income tax. 198.40 plus 60.83 gives us 259.23. Now the rest of these we're just going to use the wage bracket method. So let's go back to the textbook and go tax tables B. So here is the wage bracket method. Oops. Sorry, I'm not used to this version of the textbook. So let me zoom in as much as I can for you. Okay, so the next individual is single with one allowance, and his earnings are $690. Sorry for the computer freezing up. So if we use the same method that we used for the previous assignments, I'll look in my paper copy while it decides to work. So if he's single, there we go. He's married, so we want single weekly, he's at $690. So at least $690, but not greater than $700. He should be at $77. So then you would do the same method that we've been doing. Okay, and so I'm going to pause and fill the rest of these in. Okay, so again, since I don't have formulas entered, I'm going to use the auto sum feature. Just makes life easier. Now, for the state income tax, we know it's 3.1%. So we're going to break out the calculator. 2080 times 3.1% is $64.48. Again, we're going to do $690 times 3.1% is $21.39. Let's go ahead and look at the city income tax. So the 2080 times 1% is $20.80. $690 times 1%, $6.90. Oops, $6.90. I'm going to go ahead and pause the video and finish the rest of these. Okay, so these are all filled in. Now we need to calculate net pay for each employee. So we're going to take their total earnings and then just subtract all the taxes out. I would recommend doing the calculations a couple of times just to make sure you get the correct amount more than once. Okay, and so this person's net pay would be $1,576.37. Okay, so $690 minus $42.78 minus $10.01. Okay, so that's $531.92. And so you would complete the process with the rest of the employees. So let's go down here and focus on the taxable earnings. The taxable earnings in this case, since everything is taxable under OASDI, it's going to be your $7,017.05. On your assignment, not everything is taxable for the first employee, so there's going to be a different amount than what you have as the total earnings. So for example, if only 2,000 of Ken Gould's income was taxable under OASDI, you would take the $7,017.05 minus the $80 that's over the taxable limit. So in this case, the taxable earnings for OASDI would be $6,937.05. So just remember that when you're working on your homework. The OASDI taxable earnings are going to be the total earnings because there is not really any max on those. The OASDI taxes, we're going to take the total taxable earnings, so $7,017.05, multiply it by 6.2%, and that gives us $435.06, so that's the same. You need to make sure that when you do these that you're not going by the amounts that you have listed, because those have rounding differences than what you need to calculate. So you're going to take the total earning amount. So $7,017.05 times 1.45%. So the HI taxes are $101.75. So it is different than what we calculated up above. Okay, and that is all you